Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to create automatic reply Yahoo Mail. Open Yahoo, click on Settings, and then click on the line, More Settings. After this, click on the option Switch to Basic Mail. In this pop-up window, select Switch to Basic Mail and wait a bit for Yahoo to be updated. Now at the top, click on the drop-down field and select Settings. When you do so, click on Go. After that, you must go to the section Vacation Response. In the message field, enter the desired message. Additionally, you can set the date range in which this message will be sent. Click on Save. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.